Same of my sound, Shaton. What is your name?
My name is Karen Tulabi.
Karen. So Karen, by the way, how old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
So are you studying?
Yeah.
What is your course?
Uh, Studied of Bachelor of Secondary Education.
Wow. So you like to handle being teacher?
Yeah, but my course of education is not my first choice.
As what is the second choice?
Maybe criminology, but my height is
Let's think about the criminology. How tall you are?
4'11".
4'11". So the criminology, how tall we want?
5'2".
5'2". It's very tall, right?
Yeah.
And then you like being teacher because your course secondary.
Yeah.
So you like to handle being teacher for children.
Uh, Not my children, but I like to teach the secondary. I don't like that my children.
You don't like high school.
Oh.
You like big grade one, something like that. Your English is very perfect. So by the way, you are second year college. So you are from Cebu, my town in Chato,
Yeah.
right? So before your studying like elementary, where you study before?
Before I was studying in Mantiquel Elementary School, Chaton Negros Oriental.
Then what is your experience about schooling at the mountain?
Very difficult
Because
because you are studying in so far from my house until the Pansa school.
that's correct. So how many hours you walk from your house going to your school?
1 hour and a half.
See? So we don't have horse, we don't have only walking,
Yeah, only walking. I don't have wala yung motor.
and then you bring your own food,
Yeah.
right? So your graduate elementary at
Mantiquel Masaligan High School.
So what is your uh, experience being living at the mountain?
Experience, it's very difficult. Lack of foods, lack of shelter, like that.
That is very hard.
Financial.
Financial.
Yeah.
That is very far the city, right?
Yeah.
So you're schooling before. What is your food or after your school? What is your break? Going to school. What is your break?
Food?
Yeah.
Sometimes bring ka ng banana without
Without stinky fish.
yeah,
And then how many siblings do you have?
4.
Four you are?
I'm younger.
Youngest.
Youngest. Oh.
So your parent is a farmer.
Yeah.
What is your planting at the mountain?
Like carrots, atsal, pichay.
Do you have sugar?
No.
And then because you are being schooling in the city in Dumaguete, you are working student.
Yeah.
Uh, what you should tell about working student? Very hard, right? Very hard.
Yeah, being very hard because you manage the time to study lessons, to work.
Then what time you wake up because
4 a.m.
very hard to why you decide to working student,
I will decide because my parents cannot support my financially in college.
especially college.
Yeah.
College is so expensive.
Yeah.
So how much your tuition every
Every sem is 16K.
very difficult. So this we should decide for working student.
Yeah. Since grade 11.
Grade 11. So how many years with working student?
Ang husband, 5 years.
Then, you're thinking you're very hard about the school, or what is your thinking about that?
Thinking it's pandrahan ng murag. It's not difficult, but
Your challenge?
yeah, challenge.
Because if you finish study, you have a good
Yeah.
life. So, by the way, I asking that with you, do you have boyfriend?
No.
Wow, you are good. Why you I asked that. What happened why? Because some student heard there's a lot of you have a boyfriend because he said that this is inspiration for schooling.
Yeah.
What is why you
But for me, I did not because the boyfriend and girlfriend need of time.
that's correct.
Yeah, but I didn't have enough time.
But you have experience.
In high school, but it's pling.
You are very kind, right? Because you know you are focused on schooling. Schooling. Because you know it's so hard being a student.
Yeah.
Especially if your body tired.
Yeah, you feel tired, but you can work.
Yeah, that's right. And then uh, he support with your parent. He support that with you about your decision.
Before, not supported, but uh, when I was in Hinders working squad, but my parents supported.
Yeah, because the parent is very proud of you because you know you are second year college. So how many years
2 years.
from now? 2 years already you have a kid. And then now you decide to go in the course.
Yeah.
You have planning. So if you're finished so schooling, you have planning to get boyfriend like out.
My first plan if I finish my studies is one hanang only my dream.
What is your dream?
Uh, to get a kuan someday kuan to get a job, stable job, then I can help my parents. But that's my one of my dreams.
You are so, you know, I'm so touching about that because you are very mature. By the way, how are you feeling? Your parent is very proud of you because you know what? You have hard work, right?
Yeah.
And then you are planning to get boyfriend soon or foreign or something like that. You know, some Filipina is planning to get a foreigner boyfriend. It's a famous here now.
I did not have a decision.
This is your dream to get a first job.
Yeah.
If you have a job, what you decide? You're teaching here in the Philippines or you're going to teach in outside country?
First, I think if someday my I become a teacher, but also I teach in sa among lugar sa
Sa
Sikil.
mountain.
Yeah.
It's about that. Because you know, my classmates before is course education, remember that?
Yeah.
And then it's in the mountain, remember Jasmine?
Yeah.
He's schooling before at the Matuken, and then now he's teacher, right?
Yeah, principal.
A principal already. Okay. This is the class, my classmates before. Now they have good job. Principal in the province.
Yeah.
So you are the second, or the youngest.
The youngest.
So you're
My old sister is living in Cebu. Is our own family.
already married. So your parent always working at the farm, but it's very hard here.
Yeah.
So what is what is the grand thing now is doing on your mind because it's very always raining.
Yeah.
Always raining. So do you have a lot of vegetable?
Like atsal, like pan hanang sibuyas.
Ah, Yeah, so if you're harvesting that, where is your delivery?
In Shaton.
Shaton,
Yeah.
every
Every Saturday, every 3 months, like Atsal.
Red Bell. And then, if you deliver your vegetable, how much for income?
Every day,
Every week,
every 3 months.
everything. So how much for income?
10K below.
So it's not so you need to buy like fertilizer. Then the fertilizer is very the price is very expensive.
Insecticide, I like the kuan hanang para sa mga insecticide.
And then I can ask you how many hours from Chicago doing your
Private, but 2 hours,
so 2 hours, 3 hours. Very, very far.
mga 3 hours,
3 hours
something 3 hours.
riding like
Kuan, habal-habal.
hapon, Filipinos. And then now, what is your planning after your vacation? You're going to your home, visiting your parents
Twice a year.
twice a year.
Yeah, July. It's my birthday,
What date?
July 14.
From 19, 19, what 19? 19.
July 19. July
Year.
year 2001.
So every year, twice.
Yeah, January fiesta. And
Because
my
the fiesta is January.
yeah.
January 19th.
Sa Mantigil but sa dito sa Kwan,
Sa inyong barangay.
sa among barangay is 6 and 5.
I remember that I remember Mantikil, January 19th.
Yeah.
For I have classes. My teacher is Sir Darius. Sir Alay.
Sir Darius.
Usi.
Usi.
Yeah.
Not you.
So this is very difficult. It's very hard going up to school. Then before, I'm not bring I'm schooling over there. I don't have bring water. It's very far. I'm living at Marcus High.
Yeah.
Yeah. Almost 45 minutes. So I don't bring water because it's very heavy. So what is your tell about now? What's your second year college? Okay, what is your tell about that, your life?
I'm thankful.
And then
Even I'm living in the mountain, but I'm thankful because my parents are so caring about and so hardworking.
so thank you so much for sharing your life to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.